Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 33 of 100 Day Code of the Programming Zone. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications. Today, we're unlocking a secret weapon to make your apps even more interactive and engaging: dialog boxes and pop-ups. Imagine creating apps that ask questions, give warnings, or even make surprise announcements, all with a few lines of Python magic. So let's start. Part 1. Summoning the dialog box. Importing. Import Tkinter as TK. This imports our trusty Tkinter library, ready to build magical windows and widgets. From Tkinter import message box. This summons a special scroll containing powerful messaging spells. Creating the window. Window equals tk.tk. This conjures up the main window, the stage for our dialog box to appear. Casting the dialog spell. Messagebox.showInfo. This line unleashes the dialog box. It displays a friendly message with a title of hello. Part 2. Mastering pop-ups. Messagebox.showWarning. This creates a warning pop-up to alert users about potential hazards. Messagebox.askQuestion. This asks a question and returns a yes or no answer. Messagebox.askYesNo. This offers a simple yes or no choice for confirmation. Part 3. Customizing your pop-ups. Use icon equals to add icons for different pop-up types, like info, warning, or error. Choose button labels with default equals and cancel equals options. Experiment with different layouts and styles to match your app's personality. Remember, dialog boxes and pop-ups are essential tools for building interactive and user-friendly Tkinter apps. Use them to gather information, provide feedback, or even create fun surprises for your users. The possibilities are endless, so let your imagination run wild. Now that you've mastered dialog boxes and pop-ups, get ready to construct something even more powerful in our next adventure: building a simple calculator with Tkinter.